Hello, guys. Welcome to another episode of Flex Design. Today, we're going to be talking about web components and how web components, what is web components, and how it is used in business today. So, web component is essentially a set of web platform APIs that help us create custom HTML tags with associated style and script. So, uh, it essentially helps us provide strong encapsulation for usable code components, making it easier for us to call and embed it in our code while in development. So, how to explain? So, there are different benefits to using web components when you are making a website or a web page. So, I'm going to go to this article here that like simplifies it a little bit better. I do recommend you visit the site to learn more about web components as well. So, right here, some benefits for web components is reusability. You can import or use elements in application. Accessibility improves accessibility. It also adds brand consistency. It also adds so many aspects of web components. The most important thing about web components I could take away from this is how it makes your code look simpler and less complicated than it needs to be. So let's take, for example, in this article, they talked about how Google, uh, they were building, one of the developers was building an HTML with their Gmail, and this is how it looked without web components. And after implementing web components, this is all they had at the end. So using different tags to call uh, certain elements made it simpler and made everything organized. That is also one big aspect of web components that helps when you're using it during building a website. So today I'm going to be showing you three different sites that use web components within them. So we'll start off with YouTube. So let's see. So what you want to do is go to insert, use the arrow tag, click on anything, the arrow key, click on anything. So let's say click on this. So right here, we're able to see, uh, uh, we're able to see this is in a certain component. Sorry, my thing is not working very well. All right, so image is in a type image scope, image shadow component. So once you move it over, it's still in the same type of uh, name. It still has the same type of name. So that's one way you could see that a website is also using a web component is if it has consistent naming in it. So it's easier for the developers to call it when it's needed somewhere else. So also one thing to also note that web components can also be inside other web components. So something like this can also be that that is where the image tag is also in. So yeah, you go to 76ers website too. You can also see they also use a web component as well, right there. Carded box wrap. Also Xfinity. You can also see if they use web components as well. So sorry, since I'm not subscribed, it's a little bit hard to view. But let's just click on this and see. So promo hero heading X. There's the heading of it. But yeah, uh, so essentially, web components does help organize certain, uh, help make your code more organized. It also adds more accessibility to it. And in future, if you're a business starting, I do recommend using web components while developing. It also saves you time and money, and also helps you focus on different features with the time that you save. All right. Thank you for today. Please review the article and also read the 6 reasons why web components are important. I think they're really there's really good information in there. Thank you. Have a good day.